Hi, I'm Paisley Lewis.
And I'm Aidan Kelly, and we're with the Back to School crew.
We're here to tell you about the best junior highs around.
The principals at Cabot Junior High North are Charlotte Sandage, Amy Butler, and Mike Nash.
The principals at Cabot Junior High South are Dr. John West, Michelle Jones, and Lance Schiestel.
Teachers at Junior High South and North are both amazing. They not only care about our academic success, but care about us as individuals.
Both schools also have a wide variety of clubs, sports, and exciting extracurricular activities to participate in.
Schedules will be released online via the Home Access Center, or HAC, at 8 a.m. on Thursday, August 11th.
If you have forgotten your password, go to the HAC website and click on Forgot Password to reset it.
If you need to make a schedule change, just call your school.
New student orientation and 7th grade orientation for Cabot Junior High North will also be held August 11th at 6 p.m. in the cafeteria.
New student orientation and 7th grade orientation for Cabot Junior High South will be held August 18th at 5 p.m. in the gym.
Open house for both schools is Thursday, August 18th from 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock p.m.
Here is a look at this year's meal prices. Great news! Breakfast is once again free. Lunch prices are on your screen.
Also, don't forget to check out the supply list on your school's website.
And one last thing, if you have a new K-12 student and haven't registered them yet, click on the student registration at the top of the district website. For more information, call Central Office at 501-843-3363.
The first day of school is Monday, August 22nd. Don't forget to bring your backpack, a water bottle, and your charged Chromebook.
School will be here before we know it, and we both hope you have a great year.